Hey guys, what's going on? Looking at MicroStrategy this afternoon, it has been pretty choppy. Another day of choppiness with MicroStrategy. Surprise, surprise. Looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still chopping as well around that $95,000 level. Will it get back above 100K before the end of the year? Let me know your thoughts down below. It has been trading this level, ever since like the 20th or 21st. It's been kind of in this range, 95 to 1,000 or 100,000. MicroStrategy has pulled back a pretty big bit here. Year to date, we're still looking at 442%. The past month, it's still up $144, $145 here, but it has a ways to go if it wants to get back to that, the all-time highs, which is 543. So I don't know if you guys can see that on my screen. Yeah, 543 is the 52-week high, which we hit that. Robinhood doesn't show it on this chart here, but it was definitely around this time. I don't know if it was pre-market or what exactly there, but around this time, MicroStrategy did hit an all-time high of roughly 540. If it wanted to get back to that level, it would have to go 25 back to 125 back to 500, and then another 40. So you're looking at $165. So it would have a pretty big movement to get back to that all-time high. I don't know if we're going to get there before the end of the year. Let me know what you think down below. It has pulled back. This past week it's down almost 6%. It's been pretty choppy, ever since this initial pullback. Since November 20th, crypto's kind of been in that same realm. It's dropped more than crypto for sure, but with it pretty much being a proxy to crypto, it's going to behave pretty similar to crypto. That's for sure. But we'll see. With the new administration coming out, in the next couple of weeks, I think it's like January 20th, Donald Trump will be in office. So I'm sure there's going to be a ton of volatility, not only in the crypto space, but definitely the stock. Just the stock market in general. So be careful with that. Don't over leverage yourself. And if you're a long-term holder, zoom out, delete that, and go enjoy your life, right? And go make more money to be able to deploy into the market. That's kind of my plan. I'm active in some option trades, but then some of them, some of my accounts and some of my strategies, like the best thing that I could do is just dollar cost average into long-term assets and forget my password, right? Set up some automations, set up some automatic investments, delete my password, forget my password, whatever, however you want to do it, and then check back in a couple years. Because if not, constantly checking my investment account is something that I've done, and it's something that I'm trying to improve on for sure, at least for part of my portfolio. So, part of my long-term portfolio, kind of just want to forget about it. Invest a certain amount every single month on a automated schedule, and then check back when I need that money or when I want to kind of move that money and reallocate it elsewhere. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Update on the market. Bitcoin is still flat. It's still sitting at 95.5. MicroStrategy is starting to pull back a little bit here. We are getting close to the end of the day. It is power hour officially, so we're sitting at 3 o'clock on the dot. 376.47 is where we're at with MicroStrategy. Pretty flat on that. It's down 1%, down $4. It's been choppy. A lot of people are trading this fund, hedge funds, and whatnot. 47 million. Looks like it only has 17 million today, so it looks like it's below the average as far as volume goes. But needless to say, first week of December, it's been pretty flat so far for MicroStrategy. Pull back a little bit here, but yeah, stay tuned for more videos on MicroStrategy and some other videos on some of the yield max funds. Misty, what's Misty doing today? That is yield max's MicroStrategy equivalent. It's down as well, down 0.88%, still trading around $33.68 there. For a price to term, it's up 65% year to date. So it's lagging MSTR, but it has had some pretty massive distributions throughout the year. MicroStrategy trying to pull back. We'll see though. Definitely stay tuned. Add it to your watch list. Keep an eye out there. And as always, guys, make sure you're taking proper risk and you're understanding your risk with investing into such volatile investments. But until next time, please like and subscribe down below.